So, you want to make a star? Well, I don't know what to say. Hey guys, welcome back to TutsByKai. I'm Kai, and today we are back in Blender once again, taking a look at how to make a star. It's 4th of July. I've done flags, I've done fireworks, so I'm like, well, what could I do this year? I could make a star. So happy 4th of July, guys. I hope you guys are staying safe, having fun. We're gonna make a star today. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to hit Shift A, and I'm going to add in a cone. In this cone, we're going to go ahead and go down here to Add Cone and change the number of vertices all the way down to 3. Now you can see we have this thing like this, which I need to rotate. So I'm going to hit RZ 180 and hit Enter. And then we're going to go ahead and just kind of hit SY and kind of scale that together like that, so it's not like super pointy. Now this is going to be the front of the star, as you can see. So I'm going to hit 1 to go into the front-facing view here. I'm going to hit Tab to go into Edit Mode and grab this vertex right here and hit GZ to pull it down approximately about right there. So it looks like a little arrowhead, which looks really awesome, by the way. So now we have something like this, which is really nice. I'm going to go ahead and hit 1 once again, go into front-facing view. Hit Tab to go into Edit Mode. Double tap A until everything is selected. Hit GZ to move the pivot point at the point of the star, right about there. Hit Tab to go out of Edit Mode. Hit Shift D, right click to cancel that movement, and hit RY 180. Hit left click to confirm that. Then hold down Shift and select both of the pieces we just created. Hit Shift D, right click to confirm, right click to cancel, RY 90. And then left click to confirm. Now you can see if I hold down Shift and select all of these, you can now see we have a nice looking star. But we still got a lot of stuff to do here, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit Object, Join. Now it's all one solid object. As you can see, we have a beautiful star here, but I want to take this a little bit further, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit 3 to go into the side view. You can see these are not completely straight, which is a problem. So I'm gonna hit Tab to go into Edit Mode, and then go up here to this little button right here and toggle Xray on. Hit B to box select only the back vertices. So all these, I don't want this front point right here. I don't want any of those. Now I'm gonna hit SY 0. Now you can see we flattened the star completely on the backhand side. I'm also gonna hit GY, sorry, to move this as close to the grid. Scroll in to as close to the blue line as is possible. So we're gonna go ahead and do that really quickly. You can see we are practically on the blue line already as it is. So there we go. Now hit Tab to go out of Edit Mode. Now we can go ahead and turn off Xray. Hit Shift D to duplicate this bad boy. Hit RY 45. Left click to confirm that, and hit S to scale it down. Now I'm gonna do something about right there because it looks pretty nice. I like that quite a bit. And I'm also going to go ahead and hit Tab to go into edit mode and pull these vertices. Actually, no, I'm going to leave it like that. Never mind. What am I saying? We're going to go ahead and hold down Shift, select both of these, and then Object, Join. There we go. Cool. Now, I'm going to take this star, hit Shift D, right click to cancel, hit RZ 180, and now you can see we have a star on the front and back. Now I'm going to hold down Shift one more time, select both of those, and go to Object, Join. Now we see we have one solid star, which looks very cool. I can go ahead and grab a material real quick. Go to the Material tab, drop this box down, select Material, and then we can go ahead and turn Metallic all the way up. Go to Material mode real quick, just so we can see it. Or actually, we'll go to Render Viewport Shading. I'll just add in a lamp real quick with Shift A. And put one right there, put it on 1000, and then grab one, maybe put it like there, I guess, maybe. Yeah, I'll turn shadow off of both of these as well, just real quick. There we go, something like that. It looks awesome. I love this. This is a very cool star. I like that quite a bit. Now, I'm going to go ahead and turn specular up a little bit more, turn the roughness down, and give this a nice base color of maybe a slight bluish tint, something like that. Very neat Aruno. Yeah, that's pretty much all I did. I think I might have had some clear coat and some sheen, not super necessary, but I think I might have done that. So we are going to go ahead and take a look at that. For the final render, I will turn my overlays off and turn the background to solid black. Very, very, very cool star. Very easy to do. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you have a very nice 4th of July. I will see you guys in the next tutorial, but until then, bye-bye.